आई होप यू ऑल मस्ट बी फाइन। तो मेरे क्लास 4 के नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, विथ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड फॉर मैथमेटिक्स ओलंपियाड। ओके, in our last class we have discussed some questions from the chapter large numbers, and if you have not watched it, go to the playlist and check it out. Okay, and in our today's class we are going to discuss some more question on large numbers. So shall we start it? Let's start it. What is our first question? Just a minute. What is our first question? Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers that can be formed using each of the digits 3, 1 and 2 only once. First we have to write all the numbers that can be formed using the digits 3, 1, 2 only once. Okay, for that what we have to do? First we will keep a position of a single digit fixed. Okay, suppose I will write starting from 1. So I can write a number that is 1, 2, 3. So next what I will do, I will keep position of 1 fixed and I will change position of 2 and 3. 1, 3, 2. Then what will I do? I will keep position of 2 fixed and will change position of 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. Then when I will change it, it will become 2, 3, 1. Then I will keep position of 3 fixed, 3, 1, 2, and when I change the position it will become 3, 2, 1. Okay, next what we have to find out? We have to find its sum. So 3, 2, 5, 3, 8, 1, 9, 2, 11, 1, 12. Then 2, 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 13. Then 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 13. 1332. Okay, so is it present in our option? Did you get it? Where is it? It is present in option B, that is 1332. Okay, everyone understood it? Chalo, let's move to our next question. What is the sum of 4062 and 3496 when it is rounded off to nearest thousand? Okay, so listen, first what we have to do, we have to add 4062 and 3496. First we have to add them. 2, 6, 8, 6, 9, 15, 5, 7. Our sum is 7558. What we have to do next? We have to round up it to the nearest thousand. Okay, so bachon, you listen one thing. If a number is greater than 7500, okay, a number if it is greater than 7500, then if we want to round off it to its nearest thousand, it will be 8000. Okay, in either 7500 or greater than 7500. Okay, so I am using the sign greater than equal to 7500. Either it will be or greater than 7500. Then when we will round up this number to the nearest thousand, it will be 8000. Okay, and if a number is less than 7500 and when we will round up it to the nearest thousand, the number will be 7000. Clear bachcho? So 7558, it is greater than 7500. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 8000. Okay, everyone got it? Okay, let's move to our next question. Question number 3. By how much is the sum of the 30980 and 14270 less than the sum of 54200 and 20180? So we have to first find out the sum of 30980 and 14270. Okay, we have to find its sum and we have to compare this value with sum of other two numbers. Which two numbers? 54200 and 20180. Okay, we have to compare the sum. So what is the sum of first two numbers? 0, 15, then 12, then 5, 4, and here 0, 8, 3, 4, 7, and we are asked with the difference between these two numbers. So 74,380 minus 45,250. You can easily find out the answer. Okay, you try to find answer of your own. Okay, then you can check it with my answer. 853192. Okay, 29,130. So where is our answer present? Is it there or not? Yes, of course it is there. Where is it? It is in option A, that is 29,130. Okay बच्चों, है ना इंटरेस्टिंग? चलो let's move to the next question. 67541 is equal to dash into 10,000 minus 2459. Okay, so this is the number. We have to find this blank place. Okay, how to find out? We can see that this number is equal to this much minus 2459. So this number, how can we find out this number? We will add 67541 and 2459, then we will get this number. Okay, I am giving you a simple thing like suppose this is 59 is equal to dash into 10 minus 1. So how will we find this number? This will be 59 plus 1. Okay, that is equal to 60. So this dash into 10 is equal to 60. So what is the value of this dash? It is 6. You can find out. So this is very simple, but now we are doing it with large numbers. So to find this number, we have to add these numbers. Okay, so what will be the answer? 1 plus 9, 10, 10, again 10, again 10, then 7. Okay, it is 70,000. So this dash into 10,000 is equal to 70,000. So can you now find out the value of this blank place? Okay, you can easily find out in which number if we multiply 10,000 it will be 70,000. Yeah, very easy. The dash will be 7. When we multiply 7 with 10,000 it will be 70,000. Okay, so what is our correct answer? Correct answer is option A, that is 7. ओके बच्चों, आई थिंक सबको समझ में आ गया होगा. चलो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. X and Y are the largest and smallest 5-digit odd numbers formed by using the digits 7, 4, 9, 2 and 6. What is the value of X minus Y? So what is X? What is clue for finding out X? X is the largest 5-digit odd number using 7, 4, 9, 2, 6. If we have to find largest number using some digits, what we have to do? We have to arrange all the digits, in descending order. Okay, we have to arrange all the digits in descending order. So if we will arrange this 7, 4, 9 to 6 in descending order, so what will be the largest digit? 9, 7, 6, 4, 2. Okay, but we are not asked the largest 5 digit. We have asked largest 5-digit odd number. So how to find out largest 5-digit odd number? For odd number, the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 should be present in ones place. Okay, but here 2 is present in ones place. What we can do, we can exchange the position of these two with the least odd number. Here 2 odd numbers are present. What are the 2 odd numbers? Sorry, I have written 5 here. It is 6. Okay, so what are the odd numbers present? They are 9 and 7. Between 9 and 7, which is the smallest odd number? Between 9 and 7, which is the smallest odd number? Smallest odd number is 7. So we just have to interchange the position of 7 and 2. Okay, we have to just interchange the position of 7 and 2. Got it? What we did? First we arrange all these numbers in descending order, okay, to find the largest number. Then we need odd number, and for odd number we need 1 3 5 7 9 in our ones place. Okay, so what is the least odd number present here? That is 7. So we have to interchange the 7 and 2. We interchange 7 and 2. So 9 2 6 4 7. It will be our x. That means it is the number which is found out by using the above digits. Okay, that is the largest odd number. Clear? Next, what we have to do? We have to find out the y. To find out the y, what we will do? What is y? It is the smallest 5-digit odd number. Okay. To find the smallest number, we have to arrange all the digits. Arrange all the digits in ascending order. Okay, arrange the digits in ascending order. So what are the digits? 7 4 9 2 6. In ascending order we will get 2 4, then what comes? Then 6, then 7, then 9. So if we arrange them in ascending order, we will get 2 4 6 7 9, which is what? Already an odd number. We don't need to do anything to it. Okay, for odd number we need 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, so I did little bit confusion here. 1 3 5 7 9 in ones place. Already 9 is in ones place. Okay, so this is the smallest 5-digit odd number, which is y. Okay, now we find out x. We found x, we found y. What we have to do next? We have to next find x minus y. X minus y. What is x? 9 2 4 9 2 6 4 7 minus 2 4 6 7 9. Okay, we have to subtract. What will be it? 8, then 6 9 7 6. Okay, so what will be our correct answer? Our correct answer is 67,968. Okay, so is it present? Okay बच्चों, is it present in option 67,968? No, it is not present in the option. The correct answer is 67,968. Okay, our next question is the digit 6 in 96431 stands for 6 into 100 into dash. Which number should replace the box? So the number is 96431. What is the place value of 6? It is 1, 10, 100, 1000. Place value of 6 is 6000. Okay, so 6000 equal to 6 into 100 into how much? Can you find out it? 6 into 100 means 600. तो 600 into how much is equal to 6000? It is 10. 600 in 10 into 10 is equal to 6000. So our correct option is option A, that is 10. Okay बच्चों, next 8058 people attended a concert. 5073 of them are women. What is the number of men to the nearest 100? Okay, so what is the number of people, total number of people in the concert? That is 8058. Then what is the number of women? That is 5073. How can you find out the number of men? We will simply subtract these two numbers. Okay, so 835 15 7 8 9 2 2985 are the number of men. It is the number of people, it is the number of women. Okay, what we have to do next? We have to find the number of men to the nearest 100. Okay, 2985. If 2900 in for nearest 100, if a number is greater than 2950, okay, if a number is greater than equal to 2950, then while rounding off we can take it as 3000. And if a number is less than 2950, then we will take it as 2900. Okay, because we are rounding off to the nearest 100. Okay, nearest 100 means we have to change the number present in 100, and if it is equal to or greater than 950, then after 9 what will next come? After 29 next will come 30. Okay, so it will 3000. And for 2950, if it is less than 50, so this is 2900. Okay, what is our number? Our number is 2985. That means it is greater than 2950. So when we will round up it to the nearest 100, then what will be its value? Its value will be 3000. Okay, okay. Next question. Which of the following is the best estimate of 599 into 72? Okay, 599 into 72. So what we should do actually you should multiply 599 and 72. Okay, so you can multiply of your own, and after that you first make pause the video, multiply of your own, then you check your answer with mine. Okay, okay, do it. Okay बच्चों, have you done it? Have you done it? What is the answer? Our answer is 42,828. Okay, so 42,828. When will we estimate? We have to estimate it. 42,828. If this number here all numbers are present in thousand, 40,000, 41,000, 42,000, 43,000. Okay, so to multiply this rounding of this number, if the value is greater than or equal to 42,500, then the answer will be 43,000. Okay, and if the value is less than 42,500, then it will be 42,000. Okay, but when if you multiply 599 into 72, here it is written best estimate. Okay, best estimate means we need not find out the actual value. Okay, in best estimate, it is purely for estimation. It is not about just multiply and then you estimate. Okay, means just you multiply and then round off. It is not about that. Best estimate means how can you estimate without multiplying properly, without multiplying these big numbers. So for that 599, we can tell that 599 is nearly equal to 600. This is our estimation. Okay, 599 is nearly equal to 600 and 72 is nearly equal to 70. It is our estimation. Okay, 72 is nearly equal to 70. So we to multiplying 599 and 72, for best estimation we can do 600 into 70. Okay, for best estimation, just remember it should be actually what I have written here. It should be actually when we have to find out to the nearest value. Okay, but best estimate means we just don't need to calculate all this. Okay, and we just need to estimate. So we can take 599 as 600, 72 as 70, and what will be the correct answer? That will be 42,000. So if you will ask what is the best estimate, then you will write 42,000, and if question is asked what is the nearest value of this into this, then you will write 43,000. Okay, so for this particular question the answer is 42,000. Okay बच्चों, this is a concept based question. You have to learn this type of concepts. Okay, चलो let's move to the next question. Saroj earns rupees 12,100 in 10 months. What is his monthly earning to the nearest 100? Okay, 12,100 in 10 months. So we are asked the monthly earning. How to calculate the monthly earning? 12,100 divided by 10, that is equal to 1,210. So what will be the number when we will round up this number to the nearest 100? Okay, 1210. Okay, if a number is greater than equal to 1250, then we will tell it as 1300. Okay, when we will round off it, then so we will tell it as 1300. If a number is less than 1250 and we will round up it to the nearest 100, then it will be 1200. Okay, and 1210 is less than 1200. It comes in this category, less than 1200. So if it is less than 1200, after rounding off to the nearest 100, the value will be 1200. Okay, so what is the value? 1200. But you don't be confused with this option B. It is the exact value. Okay, you just don't need just to divide the number and write the value. No, it is 1210, we know, but we have to find out the nearest 100. So the answer will be 1200. So you should not go with option B. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. Mayuresh weighs 48 kg. What is his weight rounded to the nearest 10 kilograms? Okay, we have to find out the nearest 10 of 48. Okay, if a number is, it will be applicable everywhere. If a number is greater than equal to 45, then nearest 10 will be 50. If a number is less than 45, the nearest 10 will be 40. Okay, nearest 10 means we have to estimate the number which is present in 10. Okay, here 4. So 48 is greater than 45. So when we will round off it, what will be the nearest 10? The nearest 10 will be 50. Okay, so the correct option is option B, that is 50. Next, find the number that has 2 in tens place, 5 in thousand place and ends in 7. Okay, first we will write ones, 10, 100 and 1000, ends in 7, 5 in thousand place, 2 in tens place. Okay, we know that in 10,000 place 5 will be there, tens place 2 will be there, and ones place 7 will be there. But we don't know the value on the exact digit that is present in 100 place, and here also 10,000 places there, and we also don't know the exact digit which is present in 10,000 place. So this is the clue. 5 in tens, and finally 2 7. So these are the two numbers in which 2 7 are there. Then 5 in 1000 place, here 5 is not in 1000 place, it is in 100 place. In this number 5 is in 1000 place, that is 95,027. So what is our correct option? Our correct option is option B. ओके बच्चों, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? क्लियर? मजा आ रहा है ना? चलो, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the value of 3 in the smallest possible number that can be formed? What is the value of 3 in the smallest possible number? Smallest possible number means when 3 will form a number in the smallest possible, when it will be present in ones place. Okay, because if it is present in tens place it will be 30, if it is present in 100 place it will be 300, if it is present in 1000 place it will be 3000. When it will be smallest, when it will be present in ones place, and the value will be 3. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option D, that is equal to 3. Clear बच्चों? चलो, let's move to the next question. What is the value of the digit 1 in the sum of these three numbers? Okay, so we have to find its sum. What are the numbers? 6,421, 3,245, 9,260. We have to find the sum. You can find out the sum of your own. You first pause the video and find out the sum of your own. Then you check your sum with my sum. Okay, that will be better for you. 6 okay bachcho, over. So now you can check your sum with my sum, that is 18,926. So what is our question? What is the value of the digit 1? Where 1 is present, here which place is it? Here it is ones, 10, 100, 1000. This is 10,000. So value of 1, what will be here? It will be 10,000. Okay. So where is the option? Did you get it? Where? That is option C, 10,000. Clear? Okay. Let's move to the next question. The digits of this number are rearranged to form the largest and smallest number. Find our difference. Okay, what is the number? 341,962. We have to find out the largest number. So to find out the largest number, we have to arrange the digits in descending order. Okay, so what will we first write? 9, then comes 6, then comes 4, 9, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then what will be the smallest number? To write the smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. And what we have to do next? We have to find their difference. So you pause this video, you calculate your answer, then you check your answer with my answer. Okay, 11, 9, 2, then 11, 6, 5, then 8, 0, 4, 8. Okay, 8, 4, 0, 8, 5, 2. Is it present in our option, bachcho? Is it present? Where is it present? It is present in option A. Okay, that is 8,40,852. तो बच्चों मजा आ रहा है? Let's move to the next question. That is the last question of today's video. What is it? Identify the greatest 6-digit number using all the digits 2, 1, 4, 7 and 8. The digits may be repeated. Here repetition of digits is allowed. Okay. So 2, 1, 4, 7, 8. How many numbers are present? How many digits are present? 5 digits are present. But we need to write 6-digit number. How will we write the 6-digit number? We have to repeat one digit. Okay, you have to repeat one digit and only once. Why? Because we have to use all the digits. Already 5 digits are present. If we repeat one digit, then it will be of 6 digits. Okay, so we need to find the greatest number. As you know, to find the greatest number, we need to arrange the numbers in descending order. So 8, 7, 4, 2, 1. Okay, we get this number, but it is of 5 digits. For 6 digits, we have to repeat one number. Which number we have to repeat? To find the greatest digit, any digit number. To find the greatest number, we have, and if we need to repeat a number, we will repeat the largest number. Which is the largest number? 8. So we will repeat 8. Okay, and we have to write that 8 before this 8. Okay, so 8, 8, 7, 4, 2, 1. It will be our correct option. Okay, which is present in option B. So students, I need to tell you something more here. If this is the same question, but we have to write the smallest number. Okay, if it is not asked, but I am telling you, if we have to write the smallest number, what we will do? We will arrange the numbers in ascending order. That will be 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Now it is 5 digit number. We have to convert it into 6 digit number. We can repeat one digit. Okay, if we repeat one digit, you will get 6 digit. So which digit should we repeat? To get greatest number, we have to repeat the greatest digit. To find the smallest number, we have to repeat the smallest digit. Okay, or it is to be in its side, in its left side. So we have to repeat 1, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Okay, if we need to find the smallest number, but in this question we don't need it. I am giving you something extra knowledge. Okay bachcho, so how was today's session? This much for today. Okay, let's meet you in our next video with some much more amazing questions. Till then, mindfully पढ़ाई करते रहो. Okay, bye.